Hey guys, Steven here. About to check out of the hotel. Well, actually, first, what I'm going to do is we're going to go see a train wreck. Hopefully, I can find it easily. It's like 16 minutes away from this hotel. Then I'm going to come back to this hotel, drop off my room key. Got all my stuff in here. And yeah, after this, it's off to Blue Ridge, Georgia. Alright, there it is, right there. This is from the movie The Fugitive. You can see the Illinois Southern right down there. That is cool. There's the other train. Oh, you can see the bus. There's the other prison bus. That is cool. See the other bus right over here. So yeah. There's the train. There's the bus. And there's the other train. That is just awesome. Anyways, we're back in the truck now. That's pretty cool to see. I definitely took a lot of pictures and video. Gonna be posting that on Instagram. But yeah, it's time to go to Blue Ridge. So that's exciting. Next part of the trip. Alright, we made it to Blue Ridge, Georgia, but the thing is, I can't check into my hotel until like 3 o'clock. Which kinda sucks. So I don't have anywhere to like put my feet up and relax yet, so obviously that sucks. But anyways, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna check social media really quick, then probably go check out where I'm gonna be riding the train. And there's also a bowling alley nearby, so I think I'm gonna go bowling. I haven't really thought about that yet. But yeah, I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Alright, so I just had lunch and just drove around for a little bit. Tried going to the train depot, but they weren't there. So now I'm actually gonna go bowling. Should be open by now. And yeah, bowling for the first time in like 3 years. So that'll be exciting. Alright guys, had fun bowling. Bowled like 4 games. Chilling in the hotel room. Sorry about that. The first one was a lot nicer, I'll give you that. Like, the last one we had the green theme, but now we actually have the brown theme. Kind of a little tribute to Brownie. But I'll be honest, the first one was a whole lot better. But anyways, I'll give it a little bit more of a little break. And then I think I'm gonna head down to the depot to see the train. And then tomorrow, we're gonna be riding it. So that'll be fun. Alright, here's the train, Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. That's our engine. Pretty cool. So yeah, this train is pretty long. Goes all the way down there. Maybe as long as the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad train. So yeah. Alright, so I think I'm gonna be in that car tomorrow. 2929. Scotty's car. And I kind of violated the rules. The F-150 is parked over here, so I kind of need to move it. Find somewhere else to park. So yeah, That's my car. I believe so. But, however, there's one thing I wanted to show y'all. There's the truck. Yeah, it's parked in an area it's not supposed to be in. So I'm about to move it after I show you all this. Same train. Good old Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. Yeah. Let me walk up to it first. There it is. So anyways, that's car 549. That's the first car I ever rode in when I was here 8 years ago. It's actually the only stainless steel car in the fleet. And it's actually from the Superliner fleet, Santa Fe. Pretty cool. Blue Ridge Scenic Railway. Pretty cool train. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end off the video here. Hope you all enjoyed. Tomorrow we ride the train. Sorry, congested. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Please be sure to subscribe. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up any of my videos. Get your friends to watch my channel. Get them to subscribe. Like I said, tomorrow we ride the train. Sunday, we ride the Chattanooga train. And then after that train, we head home. So yeah, I'll just see y'all in the next one.